What is everyone, this is Motutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the fail to open the group policy object on this computer error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is to go to your local disk C, open up Windows, and in here go into where it says System32, so it's somewhere at the bottom, right here. In here, find where it says group policy, so just press G so you can get to the group policy section. And in here, this specific folder that you see here, just change this to .old and basically save this, right? Once you do this, just come back out of this, go back into your search bar and type in group policy or edit group policy, and you're going to basically see this pop up. You're not going to get that error anymore, and you're basically going to be good to go. So yeah, that's all you need to do, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys overliked this video, please smash that like button up. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. On that, Motutorials out. Peace.